5 minus 1 times 5 minus 1. Easy. Haha. 5 minus 1 gives us 4. And here again we have 5 minus 1, which equals 4. 4 times 4 equals 16. Yes! But no. Oh, shit. This answer is not correct, guys, as we didn't follow the rule of mathematics. As we know, for such type of mathematical expression, we have to follow the math rules. Because according to the order of operations, which is PEMDAS, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponent, M stand for multiplication, D stand for division, here A stand for addition, and lastly, S stand for subtraction. And we have to start from left to right order. All right, in this expression, we have 1 multiplication and 2 subtractions. Remember that according to the PEMDAS, first we have to solve multiplication, okay? All right, 1 times 5, which equals 5, and the remainings are 5 and this minus 1. So our equations such as 5 minus 5 minus 1. Now, see, here in this expression, we have 2 subtraction. And according to the PEMDAS, we should start from left. Okay, here 5 minus 5 equals 0. And write this minus 1. And we know 0 minus 1 equals negative 1. And this is our final and correct answer to this problem. The correct answer is negative 1. Friends, if you found this helpful, then don't forget to like and share. And hey, you may visit my channel for more such informative videos.